Our intention here is to really create some good vibes, to show our customer community and the viewers the latest updates about the technology, and then also create some good impressions about what we have in the pipeline.
Due to COVID-19, we as a company have limited opportunities to participate in trade shows, conferences and fairs this year. With our new AT&S Virtual Showroom, we can provide the perfect setting for virtual conferences, webinars, to show our customers our technologies and products.
It's quite impressive how all the setting is done and what is necessary to get that broadcasting running.
In summary, the Virtual TechDays have offered us an opportunity to interact with our customers, with our partners, despite the difficulties that we have faced over the last year and month. So I think it was a good opportunity to show how we have developed our technologies further despite the crisis, and how we can interact with our customers, with our partners, in order to elaborate new solutions.
I think this is a perfect simulation of a situation that we basically know, but we are unable to attain at this point. I think it gives us the opportunity to take part in something larger. To a certain degree, I think you feel that you're in the presence of an audience, even if they're not there physically.
And with this virtual situation, you have not this big audience with whom you can interact. Yeah, it was very interesting to present at the Virtual TechDays, because it's the first time that we do this TechDays virtually, and this was a quite interesting experience for me.
And so many cameras, so many lights, so this is quite unusual, but it's necessary because we then transfer something to our customers which is really great, and with this virtual environment the customer has a very special experience. So I'm really happy that we do this in such a professional way. It gives the right image of AT&S. We are really a professional company. The summary of the first Virtual Tech Days is that it's really a great success. We have more than 200 participants, so the response is overwhelming, and I believe that we have been able to transfer some really good messages to our customers.